Hi, I'm Yanina Chicas with the Customer Success Team at Ostioid. I'm here to explain a couple important benefits of having active software maintenance. Having an active maintenance contract is critical to ensure you are getting the most of your Invivo software and treatment planning experience. First, our new licensing model. With our new licensing model, you will be in complete control of your licenses. Your licenses and add-on modules will be tied to your Invivo Workspace account, allowing you the flexibility to use your software anywhere you go. Additionally, you will receive a complimentary 1-year subscription license to our new Invivo One Premium plan. This will give you an additional Invivo license and allow you to try our new subscription plan at no additional cost. Second, our expert product training. Whether you are new to Invivo or want to catch up on the latest version, our team of experts are available from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're active on software maintenance, you have the luxury of scheduling a 1-hour interactive session to go over the functionality of Invivo software. Our team also provides additional training sessions for software add-on modules such as 3D analysis and MD Studio. During your workday, you can reach out to our teams via phone or email should any questions or concerns arise. When you're ready to take your Invivo experience to the next level, please feel free to reach out to me via email or phone call, and I'm happy to help.